Alright, so I've been thinking, in the middle of the ocean, shopping for the fruit smoothie at 11:30 PM right now. I feel like I'm on drugs. I'm never eating unhealthy again. We almost couldn't come in here because this one thing is around all the turtles. Alright, seen at the market. Alright, 8 AM, just woke up. Let's get the day started. I'll be having a quick shower, it'll take 1 second, and then I'll be straight down on the beach for the morning walk. Place to come for the morning walk. Today I want to quickly talk about a topic that I've been thinking about, and honestly the best reason to come on these morning walks is just to think about things, which is why whenever I come I normally never take my phone, but obviously today I've got it for the video. But today I want to talk about how the game is unfair, the game is rigged. So I decided I'm going to finish the topic up here on the end of this rock, looking out over the sea, just because it's the best location. The thing about up there is there's some monkeys in the trees that seem to think they own the place. I'll show them who's boss. Alright, no monkeys up here today. Let's look at this incredible view. Bit of a drop. Hopefully I don't fall off the edge during this, but let's keep going. Alright, so I've been thinking about how much consistency compounds and how much the game almost becomes unfair the further and further you go with this consistency. Since moving out here, I've seen that massively. I've seen the effects of things play out, how much easier trading's become, and just overall upgrading the lifestyle a lot, and how much it pretty much changes everything you're doing. At the start of the journey, trading is hard, right? Everyone knows it's difficult, and it always will be difficult, but the point is, the further and further you go, it just gets so much easier. I think about since coming out here, I'm eating only organic foods, drinking glass bottled water, all these small things, right? They have an effect. They have an effect on your mind, and obviously trading is psychology, but being able to go on morning walks on the beach down here, there's just so many things. It just keeps going, and trading just gets so much easier. The more you compound on your journey, and it's all the small things, it's all the discipline compounding over time. And what I want to say is, don't let that break. Don't have 2 months where you just quit and you're not doing anything, because then that compounding effect stops. It's an exponential curve. If you guys don't know what an exponential curve is, it's just when the amount that you increase keeps increasing over time, so you just get better and better continually. It's like the rolling snowball effect. It keeps growing, and the bigger it gets, the more it grows. So this is really what happens with life and trading. As long as you stay disciplined and keep going, it's just that exponential compounding effect. It's incredible. The advantages that you have, you know, the same 1 to 3 that used to make me £30 now makes me 3,000. It's just crazy how much it keeps going. In the future it will make me 13,000, 30,000. It just won't stop. This is really the power of Forex. This is what we can do with trading. Your progress, just, you'll keep going, you'll hit a brick wall, break through it, keep going. Just don't let any of these brick walls stop you, set you back. Don't let them stop your momentum, and then you'll be good, right? Stopping for 1 or 2 months could take off 1 or 2 years off your journey, just because it stops that compounding effect. Then maybe you need to take 6 months to get back up to that level. It's just really about the consistency and the discipline. That's just the point I've been thinking about a lot. And the further you get into the journey, the more unfair it becomes, the easier it becomes. The same positions you used to take now make you 30,000. The food you eat and everything makes your entire body operate better. It just keeps going. There's just so many advantages. Look at this, I've gotten to the area that no one can reach. Blocked off by a tree that was struck by lightning. Blocked off there by the water and the tide. There's one thing you have to do if you're a male and you're by the sea, and your instincts just cannot handle it. Throw a rock into the sea. Alright, now that I've got over my rock throw cravings, let's go back to the apartment and satisfy my next craving. Over leveraging and revenge trading. So these houses are crazy. Inspirational stuff right here. Beachfront, massive houses, the amount of supercars you'll see parked out the front. Inspirational. Quick delivery because I ran out of water. Also got some fresh orange juice to make the fruit smoothie later. For now though, gonna get into the markets. I've got to finish the update on GBP CAD. For you guys who are in the Discord, you'll know we are updating the pairs list. It's gonna be more diversified, more pairs involved. So you can see right here, CAD CHF, there's gonna be a whole reserves list, over 10 pairs plus, all back tested, all data recorded, so you can see their performance, that type of stuff. And yeah, we're just gonna have a huge list, so whenever times are slow, we can only be taking A+ trades, 100% in trend, that type of stuff. Alright, GBP CAD 2023 till current day backtest has been finished. Results typed up as well in a spreadsheet. All of these for every pair are shared in the Discord, but I'll let you guys see this one right here if you're not inside. I still have 2022 to finish. You can see this one took me quite a while. When you're doing it properly, it does take a long time. And I did actually do about half the backtest yesterday. As well as that, all of the setups, TPs, everything are saved on the TradingView chart, and I also share that as well. So I'll be getting that done for every single pair. Fruit smoothie today, not very diverse because I was running out of fruit. Got one banana, a handful of blueberries, one kiwi, one pear, and of course got the orange juice. So let's get that blended up. Here is the final product. Completely different colour once you get those blueberries mixed in. But I suppose the reason why I eat this is actually quite a good lesson, because it ties into everything, right? Discipline ties into everything. How you do one thing is how you do everything else. You need to eat a healthy diet. If you're not even operating on a healthy diet, one, it's just low discipline. You're probably addicted to sugar, things like that. How are you going to not be addicted to revenge trading if you're still addicted to sugar? All these type of things, they all link together. So healthy diet, for me, it's just about operating on the highest level possible. I want to reach the highest level possible. So that's why I do it. If you guys don't eat healthy at the moment, it'll completely change how you feel 24/7. So you should start. Alright guys, there's literally nothing going on in the market, so what better to come and play some darts. I was actually going to play table tennis, but I got down here as soon as everyone was leaving, so it's just me by myself. 3 triple 20s on this next shot already. Well, I didn't hit any, but you can see I got some accuracy at least. Last bit of daylight right here. Nothing happened in the markets today, so about to head out, go get some food. Shopping for the fruit smoothies. Exotic fruits all round. You guys thought that my fruit smoothie this morning was bland or boring. Just wait until you see this massive bag filled with exotic fruits. First off, let me go through these. Got the star fruit. Not sure if you guys have ever had any of these before. A lot of these I've never seen. Cherries, obviously, not very exotic. Gooseberries right here. Very strange in these little leaf pod things. Orange berries. Got lychee berries. Not too exotic. Some type of mango. Not seen one that looks like that before though. Dragon fruit, of course. I'm not talking about mango money, by the way. Shout out mango. Got some passion fruit right here. Gold kiwis. Starting to get a little bit stranger again. These things, I don't even know what they are. got these. Pretty sure they're very healthy because I remember seeing a picture that looked like that as one of the healthiest fruits. These pears, crunchy pears. I'm pretty sure I called them Chinese apple or something before. I'm not sure. Just large yellow apple looking pears. Dates, of course. I've actually never had dates before. Obviously one of the healthiest things possible. Be my first time trying them. Got some mangosteens here, which I have had before, but I'm pretty sure Southeast Asia only really. I've never seen mangosteens in England. We got some raw honey with the honeycomb still in there. Red apples, these ones are so good. Juiciest apples I've ever eaten. And then some juice for the actual smoothies. Got pineapple juice, just because it's a different flavour. Didn't have any pineapples. And as well as that stuff, obviously I've got the stuff that's already in the fridge. Bananas, blueberries, goji berries, which I can't put in a smoothie. Orange juice left if I want to use that. Yeah, if you thought the fruit smoothies were boring beforehand, this is going to be unlike anything I've ever tried. So I'll show you guys when I make one of these tomorrow. I'll probably post it on my Instagram story. If you guys don't follow me, RD Concepts, I'm pretty sure I've changed my Instagram handle a few times, so I can't actually remember what it is. In terms of trading, no trades by the looks of it today. It's getting late into Friday and this is the closest zone we have, AN supply. It's not even the best zone because we've reacted from a sort of key level past resistance. Not 100% on the key level, but around the same area. So with the time frame being late Friday, obviously taking supplies towards swap hours is not a very good idea. So looking like a no trade day today, but you have to be able to handle them. Of course, when you have large amounts of capital, you'll be able to handle them completely fine. In fact, you might even find them better than having days with a lot of trades. Apart from that, there was this potential trade on GJ this morning, but I didn't take it. I wasn't really a fan of it. The zone was not the best, and there's a good lesson about this in trading. You can't just decide after the trade started winning and playing out, yeah, now it was a good zone, I should have taken it. You can't do that. That's just hindsight analysis. If you do that for every trade that wins that wasn't good in the first place, then you're never going to have a set of rules. You're never going to have anything to stick by and go by all the time. If the zone wasn't good beforehand, it's also not good whether it wins or loses. You can't just change your mind afterwards. So I didn't take this one. There's nothing wrong with that. It would have been for a 1 to 3 if I did decide to take it. You guys will see it actually tapped on GBP news. The liquidity wasn't the best. We did take out the high technically, took out its own highs. Again, it just wasn't really a good trade, so avoided it. And yeah, that's a lesson that you have to learn about trading. You can't just decide whether the trade wins or loses if that means it was good or not, because that's not about probabilities. Most people base the quality of the trade based on the outcome, so if it wins or loses, when in reality, trading is about probabilities only. So whether it wins or loses or not does not mean it was good or bad. It's purely probabilities. Some of the best setups in the world, they lose, and the worst setups you've ever seen, they can be ones that win. So you can't base things on the outcome in trading. It has to be on the analysis beforehand. You have to have a set of rules and a clear playbook that you can go by in order to be able to do this in the first place. That's just one of the things with being undercapitalized. You want to take more trades, you want to force trades, all that type of stuff, and it's just a different mindset. The mindset switches as soon as you get to large amounts of capital. It's almost like a peaceful state of trading. You don't want to take a lot of trades, only ones you're actually confident in. And yeah, it's just a lot calmer. The way trading is, you care a lot less about it, which you would think it might be the opposite. If you have more money, you can make more money, you might care about trading more, but to get to that stage, it's counterintuitive. It's actually the opposite. So hopefully that teaches you guys a lot. If you're trading in a way right now where you care so much about trading in the charts, well, you should probably change that. Make trading fit in around your life as opposed to making your life fit in around trading. Alright, 11:30 PM right now. On my way down to the sauna to complete the nighttime routine. Same thing pretty much every morning, every night. As you guys know, consistency is the most important. Even though it's a Friday, I want to keep the same. So going to the sauna right now, then after the sauna I'll be upstairs, quick shower, journal, meditate, and then I'll be going to sleep by 12. Pretty simple. That's a standard routine that I currently follow every day, and it's been working pretty well. Quick RD Forex physique update. Not bad considering where I used to be, how small I was before, and I'm not really bulking. It's been a weird trade-off for me. I need to bulk a lot, I always have, but I've been focusing on the money side of things instead. It was always a weird middle ground for me. It's like if I wanted to actually bulk how I needed to, I would just be walking around feeling half asleep all the time from how much food I was stuffing my face with. So pretty much I decided to just keep it healthy, train anyway. I do some occasional bulk shakes at night whenever I can, but can't really bulk how I want to, or it would make the money side of things a lot harder. To become profitable, I needed a clear mind. I need to be operating at as high of a level as I could. So maybe in the future I'll be able to go on a massive bulk. We'll see. Alright, sauna session finished. The time right now is about 11:59, so I stayed a little bit too late, but it is what it is. Heading back now to the apartment. Gonna get meditation quickly finished, and then I'll be going straight to sleep. No time for journaling today. Don't want to mess up the sleep schedule. And yeah. This is going to be the most interesting thing I've ever drank. Looks strange already. Currently got some blueberries, Cape gooseberries, cherries, chiku, sapodilla. Has a lot of different names, but I think that's how you say them. One passion fruit in there at the moment, and we still got some more stuff to go in. Final ingredients are going to be a couple mangosteens, some light cheese, one apple, and of course pineapple juice. Left out a couple things, left out the star fruit and the gong pears. I'll be having those tomorrow though. For now, this is what it's going to consist of. Cheers. It's probably the most unique taste I've ever tried. Wow. I only put about 4 Cape gooseberries in there. I can taste them so clearly. It's one of the strongest flavours. That is so good though. Also put some orange juice in there, off camera. I'm going to call it the RD Forex. If anyone ever drinks this exact concoction, they're drinking an RD Forex. Come to the flipping beach. About to something. I'm never eating unhealthy again in my life. I feel like I'm on drugs right now. I think I'm having a vitamin C overdose. Out on a flipping jet ski in the middle of the ocean. On a jet ski before, but I've definitely come again. This is crazy. Freedom that comes with Forex. Come on. That's doing donuts. jet skiing, coming to this restaurant to eat, but we almost couldn't come in here because of this one thing. There's female football on the TV. Pulling up on the guys. Oh. Wow. Only got 2 darts left because the third one hit the board, fell on the floor and broke.